In this video, we will look at how the track was made for the gasworks. This being a very cramped site required special short radius turnouts, and we based the design of these on LSWR equipment from the 1890s, albeit non-standard geometry. The presumption was that the track was at best second-hand and probably third. The design of components was based on original LSWR drawings held by the Southwestern Circle. Based on this information, a small library of components was developed for the CAD system, which included the common chair types and bearers. The track components from that era were considerably lighter than those in normal railway use in 1912. The chairs are actually quite small. The chairs were fixed to the sleepers using tree nails, with dome tops rather than coach screws with rectangular tops, as per later practice. The chairs are positioned using the rail running edges as the geometry control line and placed in the middle of each bearer. The chair footprints are small enough to allow two to be placed side by side on bearers where the point and stock rail divide. Much of the layout required check chairs due to the sharp radii. Fortunately, the gasworks is operated by a short wheelbase 040 for good reason. The track segments are 3D printed from the CAD models. The rail is then threaded into the chairs to give the finished operational track. Note the point rails are loose-heeled, i.e. it has a loose bolted connection to the adjacent rail, hence the kink in the upper point rail when the switch is set in this position. The operating lever at the bottom is our own design. It is based on the way the old Hornby 00 manually operated points worked, but we have embedded a mini magnet in the operating arm. When it is switched over, the green magnet operates the red reed switch, and this changes the polarity of the crossing. Very simple and low maintenance. The levers are hidden under trackside buildings on the edge of the baseboard. The wiring is also very simple. One engine works from the fiddle yard to the gasworks, propelling wagons onto the layout. The gasworks engine then takes over and sorts wagons into the yard. The ballast was made from chipping dust, collected after a local road had been resurfaced. The dust was sieved to give particle sizes of less than 1 mm. Notice towards the end of the track we have a wagon turntable, giving access to the unloading dock. That completes our presentation on track in the gasworks. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was of interest.